Welcome to my video editing channel. Today's topic is 7 ways to professional video editing. 1. Organize and import raw video footage into designated folders for easy access. 2. Review footage and select the best takes to use in the final video. 3. Create a rough cut by arranging selected footage in the intended chronological order. 4. Trim and edit clips to remove unnecessary footage and improve transitions between scenes. 5. Edit audio by syncing tracks, adjusting volume levels, and adding music or sound effects. 6. Enhance the video with color correction, visual effects, transitions, and graphics. 7. Render and export the final video in the desired format, then share it with the intended audience. Practice these steps on any professional video editing software like Capcut, Adobe Premiere, After Effects, Davinci Resolve, and lots more. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, comment about the video. See you again.